Hello and welcome to the Mining Cabinet. I'm Drew. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I appreciate it. We're looking at the Kaspa pool dashboard. I have one KS0. I've had almost 2 weeks. And if you see right here, estimated 24 hours is 196. When I got it the first day, it was like 496. So it's dropping. Still not bad, $8 a day. The only other thing I have that does better than that is Chia, and I have a lot more money tied up in hard drives and a server than I do in this KS0. The beauty of this KS0 is it uses, mine uses 75 watts. I've got a AC Infinity USB fan sitting on top of it. We'll go over here to the user interface. It is running 40 and 55 degrees Celsius, which is pretty good. I've got the fans turned all the way up. Without the USB fan on top, it is scalding hot to the touch, but it's room temperature with this USB fan, and you can barely hear it. It barely moves air. It feels like sitting next to it, but I guess there's some air coming out. But it does a good job of keeping it cool. So you can see my hash rate is pretty stable on the unit. It's stuck right, I mean they're close. It's right at 100 gigahash. Not sure why it says it's been running 15 minutes. Let's refresh and see. Okay, it's been running a day and it's not so stable. I was about to say that's the most stable I've seen. Okay, but it bounces back and forth. I know a lot of the people making videos have talked about this. It's all the way up to 142 gigahash there. Is pretty amazing. So not quite sure what's going on. 40 rejected shares out of 10,000, so the reject rate is pretty low. I thought it would say up here somewhere what the percentage is. Oh, there it is. 0.38%, so less than 0.5% rejection. So far for the week, $47. Not sure what their week starts on, but you can see all time I've gotten 4,315 Kaspa, and I've got mine set to pay out every 200 Kaspa, so I'm pretty close to getting the payout, 91%. So I like the dashboard and Kaspa pool. It's simple, but it has a lot of good information. But the profitability on the Kaspa or the IceRiver KS0 is plummeting like the proverbial rock. But again, at 75 watts, I'm not concerned. I'm just going to let it eat. I've shown that it can run on unminable, so I could possibly get tired of Kaspa and stick it on something else and let it get paid out some of the coin. We'll see about that. I still have my Jasminer X4 3UZ. It's over on Octaspace, mining Octaspace, and Pac-Man. I wish it would. The X4 series won't dual mine ZIL. I have some little iPollo Mini V1s. Actually, they're off right now because I've been trying, over the weekend was doing some reconfiguring on the mining cabinet, so I have them off right now, but they will dual mine Octaspace and ZIL, so I need to get them hooked back up, get back on that. But yeah, that's just a short update on the KS0. If you're waiting on one, it's not a bad, it's not going to be a bad purchase because it'll be profitable forever as little power as it draws. I think Rabid Mining or somebody I watched had a spreadsheet and it was like 35,000 KS3s could come online. We're talking like 50 cents a day profits, but it would still be profitable. So I'm we'll say 1/6 of the way to getting my money back. Yeah, probably about, because I paid with shipping and everything is just a little over $1,100 when I bought mine. I did get an email the other day from, I don't know if it's a scam or not. I'm not really interested in buying another one, although it did like catch my eye. It was $680, but it's from China, so you're paying, they're going to hit you with probably $100 to $200 shipping, even though this thing is tiny, doesn't weigh much, and then you may get tariffs on top of that, so it's still going to cost $1,000. So that didn't really interest me. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Comment, like, subscribe. Appreciate the support for this new channel, and if you have any suggestions, drop me a line. Thank you.